the Assad regime, it genuinely was a narco state. I mean, they produce like 80% of the world's Captagon, and estimates vary, but it's estimated that the regime made like 5.7 billion annually from Captagon production.
You know, Assad turned Syria into a drug peddling type of machine too, right? With Captagon, I know that he was building, manufacturing, and distributing Captagon not just throughout the Middle East, but it started to permeate into Europe and I understand also parts of Africa and beyond. Did you stumble across Captagon manufacturing facility, or did you go looking for that?
Quite a bit. We went looking for it. So shortly after, the day after I went to Sydnaya, I was reading about the main Captagon facility that the regime used. It was in this place called Douma, which is on the outskirts north of Damascus. Now, in Douma, there's a massive Captagon facility, and the regime always claimed that plant in Douma was making soap, but everybody knew it actually made Captagon. So HTS captured the Douma facility like December 7th, before they were approaching Damascus. And I visited the Douma facility on December 13th. So here, the Assad regime was producing Captagon, which is an amphetamine. It's similar to speed. So for anyone in the audience who might have taken Adderall or Vyvanse before, allegedly, imagine taking 2 or 3 30 milligram Adderalls, and allegedly that would be about what the average Captagon would feel like, I would say. Yeah, I mean, the Assad regime, it genuinely was a narco state. I mean, they produce like 80% of the world's Captagon, and I mean, estimates vary, but it's estimated that the regime made like 5.7 billion annually from Captagon production, and they had smuggling routes like into Lebanon, and from Lebanon you can go further. I mean, they'd go to the Gulf states as well, and so it's just permeating throughout the Middle East. And like you said, it's spread out of the Middle East, but I mean, it's definitely one of the most popular drugs there for sure.
You think HTS will resurrect that business?
Oh no, they've promised to destroy Captagon production.
Do you believe them?
It's too profitable.
Exactly.
What, they're going to take all of this equipment and not use it? I mean, the market has just collapsed. I mean, 80% of Captagon production is gone, and some enterprising entrepreneur is going to fill that void, and HTS already has all the resources for it, but that would be haram. Drug production is haram, and they have publicly said that they are going to stop the flow of Captagon and destroy remaining Captagon production. And I think if they do want sanctions relief, it would be wise of them to do that.
Where do you think the ingredients comes from?
I remember that one bottle of manufacturing components. I don't remember what it was exactly, but there's this one bottle I saw that was manufactured in the UK. Where the manufacturing components come from, though, I can't really say.
Did any of your friends try it?
Yeah, allegedly, a lot of us did.
And?
It's how I'm able to compare it to an Adderall. But, like I said, HTS has said that they're going to destroy the pills, and then off camera, they may have turned a blind eye to various colleagues of mine from different outlets taking it. I mean, it's kind of an open secret. A lot of people did try it, and a lot of people were trying it, and HTS kind of looked the other way if any foreign journalist was gonna pocket a couple of pills, which certainly a few did.